Hey, Crystal here with oursleepguide.com. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Buffy Breeze Comforter, so let's get started. So when it comes to comforters, Buffy offers two comforters. This one is their newest one, the Buffy Breeze, which is going to be a great comforter for anyone who sleeps hot or just looking for a nice lightweight comforter that's going to actually have some awesome sustainable qualities about it as well. Just a little bit of information about this comforter as far as materials go. The entire thing is made out of eucalyptus fibers. So even the cover and the fill are going to be made out of the same fiber that's then transformed into a yarn, then made into the nice soft cover that this is, while the inside of this is going to be the actual fill itself, which together is going to be really great for a lot of reasons. Not only is it going to be a really nice, cool feeling comforter, but it's also going to be naturally hypoallergenic, antimicrobial, and just be a lot cleaner than a lot of other comforters that feature, polyester or even cotton for that matter. So that's a really nice quality about this comforter in particular. You can kind of see that it's going to be a thinner profile in general. Between the two layers of the cover is going to be just very minimal fill. That's going to be just enough to kind of give you that nice comfortable feel, but not so much where you're going to be retaining heat, which is key when it comes to this comforter. Another aspect about this company and this comforter that really stands out from a lot of other ones is the fact that you actually get to try it before you buy it, which is a really crazy concept where you're not actually investing in this until you decide that you're good to go. You'll get this comforter and then within 7 days you have the ability to return it for free without ever having to pay for it, or at that point pay for it and make up your mind on it. So it's kind of nice to have that flexibility when choosing something, especially when you're buying online. So the Buffy Breeze is available in 3 different sizes. One that's going to be a twin to twin XL size, another that's a full to queen size, and then the king to king XL size. And all of them are going to have the appropriate pricing as well. Not to mention, you also get free shipping with your new Buffy Breeze comforter as well, so that's something to keep in mind. Definitely go back over to oursleepguide.com. We're going to have a really detailed written review on this comforter, as well as some great areas of where you can purchase and if there's any coupons available too. So check those out. Also, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all future reviews. So until next time, this is Crystal with oursleepguide.com. Happy sleeping.